Hello class. Today I'm going to be presenting internal validity and one threat to internal validity. Internal validity is how well a study proves that alternate explanations for findings are ruled out. Internal validity is the truth about cause and effect relationships as it rules out outside factors to prove that what is being studied is indeed the reason for the data. Maturation refers to the effect time has on people. People change, and this can affect data. Maturation is the aging of a study as participants may gain more knowledge, skills, health, etc. on their own over time, regardless of the treatment intervention provided in the study. Maturation must be considered whether the study is 2 to 3 months long, being short-term, or 20 years long, being long-term. People's behavior may change as the study progresses, reducing the internal validity because the results of the study may be tampered by these behavior changes. On terms of X and Y, when looking at maturation within a study, X is the independent variable, or the treatment, and Y is the dependent variable, or the actual data being collected and studied. Maturation may be the reason for the Y variable coming out the way it is instead of the treatment variable X, tampering with the cause and effect relationship between X and Y. For example, if a researcher studying the effects of giving apples to young boys on their study skills over a 10-year period, the apples may not be improving their study skills at all. It may be the fact that they're more mature now and have developed those study skills on their own, because studying their study habits at 5 years old and 15 years old will have much different results, not because the apple treatment, but because of maturation. And this is because it's unable to be proven that maturation is not the reason for why the data would be tampered.